Hello, students. Today I am going to explain the summary of the chapter number 6 Two Gentlemen of Verona. First of all, this is the brief description of the author, A.G. Cronin, who was a doctor by training and he practiced medicine in Wales and in London. It was while recovering from a breakdown in health, but he wrote his first novel, Hatter's Castle. It was a huge success, and he chose his career in writing. He wrote many novels also, and this is one of us. We are discussing this. This is one of uh, the chapter we are discussing now. Here is the character sketch. Two boys were there in this chapter. The first one is Nicola, elder brother, 13 years old, very determined, trustworthy, and self respective boy. Second, Jacopo, younger brother, 12 years old, very courteous, loving, humble, and cooperative. The third one is Lucy, author's driver, very unkind type of person, rude. The fourth one, author, who is very helping and kind person and eager to know. Now, this is the pic of the two boys. Yes, how they are working. The Two Gentlemen of Verona is a very good story about two boys who worked very hard. But why they are working very hard? Due to some reason they are working hard. One day, the author went to Verona, and when they are entering in the Verona, the author and his driver, the two boys come with him, and the author, and they ask author uh, for buying the strawberries. The author and his companion were traveling in Verona. Two small boys stopped them on the outskirts of Verona. They are selling wild strawberries, and when the author made them for the first time. Now, but the author's companion means Lucy was. He stopped the author buying the fruit from the two boys. He said that don't buy these strawberries. We would get better fruits in Verona. Lucy did not like the shabby appearance of the boys. Now the two boys were because the two boys were wearing worn out and loose clothes, and they're not fit in their little figures. They had brown skins, tangled hairs, and dry, earnest eyes. The author and his companion were strangely attracted to their appearance. Next day, when the author came out from his hotel, he saw the same two boys were polishing the shoe. The author, where he was a very eager, he want to know why they are doing this much of work. Yesterday they were selling the fruits, today they are polishing the shoes. So he wanted to know, but the boys had no hesitation in doing any work. They sold fruits and polished shoes under the sun. They work as tourist guides also. They sell newspapers till midnight. They also book tickets for opera. If some tourists are coming to in Verona, they attend the tourist also. They book the tickets for opera also. They are selling newspapers, doing so many works also, and the boys had no hesitation in doing any work. Why they are doing so? That is the main question. The author wants the answer of this question. Why these boys are doing that much hard work? Because the boys had a sister named Lucy, and she was suffering from tuberculosis of the spine, and she was admitted in the hospital. And the boys and the boys are wants better treatment for her sister. That's why they are doing that much work. So one day the author thought that the boys were going to their own house. He imagined that they are dibbling wood an ordinary hut, as they always wear one uh, cloths, but when he reached there, he found a large villa. ऑथर को ऐसा लगा एक दिन कि बच्चे कहीं जा रहे हैं, शायद हो सकता है वो अपने घर को जा रहे हैं। तो ऑथर ने उनका पीछा किया, क्योंकि उनके कपड़े भी नॉर्मल से रहते थे, जो उनके शरीर से बिल्कुल फिट नहीं होते थे, काफ़ी लूज़ रहते थे। ऑथर ने उनका पीछा किया और ऑथर वहाँ जाते आते वो देखा कि वो एक बच्चे एक घर में जा रहे हैं। व्हेन ही रीच देयर ही फाउंड अ लार्ज विला सराउंडेड बाय हाई वॉल। इनफैक्ट इट वॉज द बिल्डिंग ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, और वो एक्चुअल में एक हॉस्पिटल की बिल्डिंग थी। As soon as the boys went inside the large villa, the author had a curiosity to know about them. He followed them and came to know that it was hospital. ऑथर ने देखा कि दोनों बच्चे जा रहे हैं, एंड ऑथर भी उनके पीछे पीछे किया, लेकिन बच्चों को नहीं पता था कि वो उनके पीछे हैं। A nurse led him towards the little cabin and asked him to look through the glass partition. The author saw the boys sitting beside a girl. She was listening to their chatter. जब ऑथर ने देखा, नर्स ने बताया कि ये बच्चे यहाँ पर आए हैं। नर्स ने कहा कि आप ग्लास पार्टीशन से देखें। जब ऑथर ने देखा तो दोनों बच्चे एक लड़की से बात करें। When the author looked through the glass partition, he saw both the brothers sitting beside the girl of about 20. 20 साल की लगभग लड़की थी, उसके पास में बैठे हुए थे। And her name was Lucia and she resembled to her brother. और वो अपने भाई की जैसी दिखती थी, उसका नाम लूसिया था। She was listening to their chatter. वो उनकी बातों की सुन रही थी। The author felt that he should not join that happy family party as he was not invited there, so he refused to go to Lucia's room. Okay. So then the nurse ने ही बताया उनको कि ये दोनों बच्चे उसके भाई हैं। एंड द नर्स टोल्ड हिम द होल स्टोरी। वंस द वॉर अफेक्टेड द फैमिली ऑफ द टू बॉयज़ वेरी बैडली। एक बार वॉर हुआ था तो पूरी फैमिली को पूरा बर्बाद हो गई थी। देयर फादर हु वॉज अ वेल नॉन सिंगर हैड बिन किल्ड इन द वॉर। ए बॉम्ब हैड डिस्ट्रॉयड देयर हाउस एंड थ्रोन द 3 चिल्ड्रंस इनटू द स्ट्रीट्स। दे सफर्ड फ्रॉम सीवियर स्टारवेशन एंड कोल्ड इन विंटर। बॉम्ब की वजह से उनकी पूरी फैमिली नष्ट हो गई थी और तीनों बच्चे रोड पे आ गए थे। एंड द सिस्टर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड सिंगर, लेकिन बीमारी की वजह से वो हॉस्पिटल में थी। एंड दे बोथ बॉयज़ वांट्स द बेटर ट्रीटमेंट। द बॉयज़ हैड वेंट टू द मार्केट टू मीट देयर सिस्टर हु वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम टीबी। और जो लड़के थे वो हॉस्पिटल में आते थे अपनी बहन से मिलने संडे को, बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट द बेटर ट्रीटमेंट फॉर देयर सिस्टर। और हर संडे को वो रेगुलर पेमेंट्स करते थे सिस्टर के ट्रीटमेंट का, इसीलिए वो आते थे। एंड जो ऑथर की क्यूरियोसिटी थी, द ऑथर की जो क्यूरियोसिटी थी वो सारी क्यूरियोसिटी नर्स ने ख़त्म की। द ऑथर हैड ए क्यूरियोसिटी टू नो अबाउट द लाइफ ऑफ द 2 बॉयज फ्रॉम द नर्स। शी टोल्ड हिम दैट निकोला एंड जेकोबो एंड देयर सिस्टर वेर लेफ्ट अलोन इन दिस वर्ल्ड। नर्स ने बताया कि दोनों ही बच्चे बिल्कुल अकेले हैं फादर के डेथ के बाद में। सो पूरा नर्स ने पूरा बताया कि कैसे वो मेहनत करते हैं, सभी चीज़ें बताई, कैसे फ्रूट्स बेचते हैं और क्या क्या चीज़ काम करते हैं अर्न मनी। और हर संडे को बाइसिकल लेकर यहाँ पर मिलने आते हैं। ओके, सो एवरी मैन मस्ट हैव होप। सो हमें इस चैप्टर से क्या सीखने मिलता है? एवरी मैन मस्ट हैव होप। ए पर्सन हु लूजेस होप कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग। Strong willpower and hope make a man successful in life. The story of the 2 gentlemen of Verona teaches us to have hope in adverse, difficult time में आप कैसे अपने आप को improve कर सकते हैं। The story shows the sincerity, sacrifice and devotion of the 2 small boys, how they work hard day and night to earn money for the treatment of their sister who was suffering from TB of the spine. This story reveals a new hope for humanity. Okay. So students, please listen the video carefully and read the chapter. Thank you.